Hello all, in this video we will discuss the question and answer section of chapter 6 Sante. Let's see the questions. First is ಕೇಳಿದ ಪದಗಳು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿರಿ. So this means these are the words listed as already in the from the chapter, important words. So you just have to read it aloud. Okay, so the first word is sante, means market. Gaddala means noise. Angadi, shop. Vyapara, business. Togari, tur dal. Vilyadale, beetle leaf. Rashi, heap or pile. Kadale, peanut. Dhanya, pulses. Guddali means, what is guddali? Spade. Menasinakai, chilli. Eerulli, onions. Kasada totti, garbage bin. Raita, farmer. Bellulli, garlic. Akki, rice. Padartha, items. Jola, corn. Maidana, ground. Hare, crowbar. Salakarane, instrument. Kushi, happy. So these are the words from the chapter. You just have to read it aloud. Question 1. ಗೆಳೆಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದರು? ಗೆಳೆಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ, all the friends together. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? Where? ಹೋದರು, when? So where did the friends go together? They went to Sante. So answer is Santege. ಗೆಳೆಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಸಂತೆಗೆ ಹೋದರು. Question number 2. ಸಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನು ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು? ರಿಪೇರಿ means repair. ಏನನ್ನು? What? ಸಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, in the market. So what was being repaired in the market? ಹಾಳಾಗಿರುವ ಬೀಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೊಡೆ. ಹಾಳಾಗಿರುವ means which is damaged or which is not working. Biga, lock. Hagu, kode, and umbrella. You can write hagu or mattu. It just means hand. And so it is lock and umbrella which is not working was being repaired in the market. ಸಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು? ಸಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ means in the market. ಯಾವ, what, ಆಟ, play. ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. So what was the play happening in the market? ಹಗಲು ವೇಷ ಆಟ is the answer. ಸಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಗಲು ವೇಷ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದರು? ಮಕ್ಕಳು, kids, ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು banana, ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ peel, ಎಲ್ಲಿ, where, ಹಾಕಿದ್ದರು, put. So where did the kids put the banana peel? So kids put the banana peel in trash bin. So trash bin is called ಕಸದ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ. So ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಯನ್ನು ಕಸದ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದರು. Answer is ಕಸದ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ. So next question is, ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? So the sentence was told by whom? Yeah, and to whom it was told. Okay, ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? The first question is, ಅವಸರದಿಂದ ಚದುರಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಅವಸರದಿಂದ ಚದುರಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದರು? Who said this? ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. Okay, so ಅವಸರದಿಂದ ಚದುರಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ means don't spread across the market in a hurry. Okay, so who said this? ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? To whom it was said? ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. So when they ask ಯಾರಿಗೆ, then you have to use ಗೆ in your answer. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. Is that clear? Second question. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಗಮಗಮಿಸುವ ಹೂಗಳು. Look there, the fragrance of flowers. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದರು? Who said this? ಅನಿತಾ ಹೇಳಿದಳು. So you make out the difference here. Anita is a girl, so it is ಹೇಳಿದಳು. And if it is a boy, it becomes ಹೇಳಿದನು. And if it is someone elder, it becomes ಹೇಳಿದರು. Please make a note of it. So here, since Anita is a girl, it is Anita ಹೇಳಿದಳು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? To whom did Anita say this? ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಳು. ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂಕಲ್. ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತರುತ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವೇರ್ ತರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದರು? ಜಾನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನು. So who told this? John told this. Like he was asking from where all these were brought here. So who told this? John ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? To whom he told this? ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು. Okay. Question 4. ಸಿಪ್ಪೆಯನ್ನು ದಾರಿಗೆ ಎಸೆಯಬಾರದು. Don't put the peel in the road or don't throw the peel in the road. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದರು? Who told this? Rashid ಹೇಳಿದನು. Rashid is a boy, so it is ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು? ಕುಮಾರನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು. He told this to ಕುಮಾರ. ಕುಮಾರನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು. So here Madiri. Madiri means example. The example they have given as Chikkappa, Chikkamma. Chikka means small. Chikkappa means father's younger brother. So father's younger brother, Chikkappa, and father's younger brother's wife is Chikkamma. So it is uncle aunt. Appa Amma, you know it. It is father, mother. Doddappa, Dodda means elder or bigger. So Dodda Appa means father's elder brother and father's elder brother's wife is Doddamma. Mava. Mava means mama. Mava means mother's brother. Okay. And mother's brother's wife is Atte. Chikkappa, Chikkamma. Appa, Amma. Doddappa, Doddamma. Mava, Atte. With this, we have completed the exercise for Chapter 6 Sante, question and answer section given in Kannada textbook. Also, do refer our video on Sante chapter for explanation line by line. Hope this helps you in learning better. Thank you.